Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a frosting, a buttercream frosting, and it only takes 2 ingredients. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. For this recipe, I only need a heavy whipping cream, organic heavy whipping cream. I use 1 cup and I make sure that it's chilled before I use it, so that when I mix it, it just gives me the nice texture that I'm looking for. So when I do it, I start by just mixing in a low setting, and I let it mix for a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Then I keep increasing the speed of the mixer until it will start giving me the cream that I need. So it's very easy, and you barely need anything actually. No sugar, there is nothing added to it but just the buttercream, and I only add vanilla extract. Once I add my vanilla extract, I let it mix a little longer just to have the heavy texture, the heavy cream texture that I need. And once I'm done, I will just turn off the mixer and my buttercream is ready. There you have it. In no time, you have your frosting done and quick and easy. And I usually put it on the cake or cupcakes, and I get to enjoy it. Very simple. As you can see, it's a very nice texture. And try it and let me know how you found it. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe and share the video so others can enjoy making the frosting with only 2 ingredients. Until next time, enjoy.